An Albert support ticket can be marked as closed even if you still need help, and that doesn't always mean your issue was denied or permanently resolved. By the end of this video, you'll know why Albert support tickets get closed, how to continue getting assistance, and what information to include when contacting support again. The first step is to read the final response in your support conversation. Albert may close a ticket after providing an answer, requesting additional information that wasn't received, or determining that no further action can be taken until you reply. The closing message often explains what happened and what you should do next. If your issue is still unresolved, check whether you can reply to the existing email or support conversation. Many support systems allow a response to a closed ticket, which either reopens the case or creates a follow-up request connected to the original conversation. That helps the support team review your previous messages instead of starting from the beginning. When you contact Albert again, provide complete details in one message. Include the email address associated with your account, explain the original problem, mention that your previous support ticket was closed before the issue was resolved, and attach screenshots if you received an error message. Clear information reduces unnecessary delays. If your issue involves account verification, a payment, a transfer, or another account-related feature, explain exactly what happened and when it happened. Include any troubleshooting steps you've already completed. That prevents the support team from asking you to repeat the same basic checks before investigating further. Before creating another request, make sure you're using the latest version of the Albert app. Updating the app and restarting your device can resolve certain technical issues without additional support. If the problem remains after updating, let the support team know you've already completed those steps. Avoid submitting multiple support tickets for the same issue at the same time. Separate requests about the same problem can slow down the review process because different support agents may receive different parts of the conversation. It's generally more effective to continue with one support thread whenever possible. If you don't receive another response after a reasonable waiting period, submit a new support request through Albert's official support channel. If you have the previous ticket number, include it in your message, so the support team can reference the earlier case while reviewing your current request. The main takeaway is simple. A closed Albert support ticket doesn't always mean the matter is finished. Read the final response carefully, provide any requested information, and contact support again if your issue remains unresolved. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Albert app tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and account guides.